NetBriefing 2.0 Hungary Control Aircraft. Select Aircraft in the upper left main menu. To create a new aircraft, select New. New Aircraft menu. Fill and save the newly created aircraft. If mandatory fields are missing, the system shows error message. Make sure that all the mandatory fields are filled correctly. Edit a created aircraft. Select Edit. In this example, this is a Cessna 152. Overview and edit aircraft parameters, attributes if needed. Save the existing or save as new. Logout.